So now we are going to go to our webs our Chrome browser. So what you have to do is just type Windows 11 download, then you click on the first link to go down to the Microsoft where you are going to download the Windows 11 on your laptop. So before you do download the Windows 11 on your system, you have to check if Windows 11 supports PC. So you click this PC health check to download it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to install it. So you can see this also shows so many information with this PC check. Can show your battery capacity and other stuff too. So you just click on check. You can see that my system doesn't support it at all, but I have Windows 11 on my system. So your PC must support secure boot, and TMP 2.0 must be enabled on your laptop. So my system doesn't have TMP at all, and you can see my processor too doesn't support Windows 11, but I'm still running Windows 11 on my laptop. So I'm going to show you this step. So what you are going to do now is for you to download it. There are other ways to download it. Either you create Windows 11 installation with your bed. For me, we are going to be using, since we are using our USB stick, so you have to click on, and you go to Windows download disk image ISO. So Windows 11 only runs for 64-bit device. So you click on this one, then you download it. So I've already downloaded it before. It's about 5 point something gig to download the image, this image of this Windows 11. So after that, and again too, we are going to download this Rufus. So this is what we are going to use to burn this image into our USB stick. So once you have downloaded and installed it, so go to my download. So this is the Windows 11 disk image. So you can see it's about 5.17 gig. So after that, you install your Rufus. So this is your Rufus. So first of all, you click in you have to plug in your USB stick. Then you can see disk or ISO image. So you click select. Then you can look for where you downloaded the Windows 11 disk image. Then you click open. So this is the necessity. Just leave it for Windows. There are different options. Windows to go. You choose this Windows to go. You have to choose the version of Windows 11 you want to install, but I prefer using this standard Windows installation. So before you go, there is something you need to check first, depending on the flash you're using. So you go here, go to this management, and you right click. You can see this is our USB stick. So you right click on here, check on property, check on volume. So you have to check the partition system for your flash. So you can see this is a master picture cut MPR. So you change it to MBR. Leave this one. You can change the volume key. You change it to this. This 11. And leave all this part. And go here, click start. So this option will pop up, so you have to leave this place checked. This remove requirement for 4 gig plus RAM and secure build on TPM 2.0. So this is going to help you bypass that. So you just have to leave this, just leave it the way it is. And this place, depending on your PC, it might show HP PC. So this is because this is taking this name from my laptop. So you just leave everything the way it is and just click OK, and you are good to go. So me, I'm not going to do that because I've already burned this image on my flash drive. So it's going to start here and load. So once this image have been put into your USB stick, just to close. Go to your PC, so you can see this is it. So you just click the setup and you are good to go to install Windows 11 into your laptop. Whichever way you want to install it, by from the BIOS. Maybe you want to install it for someone else's system, go through the BIOS, set the booting option, or you do it this way. Whichever way, if you are upgrading from Windows 10 to 11, so you just click the setup process, and that is all, guys.